Hi, let's solve next previous question of tree. It was asked in GATE 2020. It is a 1 mark question. So let's read the question. The pre-order traversal of a binary search tree is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16, 19. Which of the following is the post-order traversal of the tree? So one pre-order is given and it is asking post-order. So for this you have to first construct the tree. Then from that tree you can find the post-order. And for construction of tree you need in order with pre-order or in order with post order. So here pre-order is given, so you need to find in order. So what will be in order? So here it is written it is a binary search tree. So in case of binary search tree, the sorted list is the in order. So you can just sort this list and you can find the in order. And pre-order is given, so you can construct the tree and find post order. So what is in order? In order is left, root, right. Then pre-order is root, left, right. Then post order is left, right, root. So now in order for this list will be just sort this list. So we are just sorting this list. So this is the in order and pre-order is this. So now we'll construct the tree. Now from the pre-order, which node is present first? So that will be root. So pre-order is root, left, right. So here this is the root. And in case of in order, so here is present 15. So what is the left part? That will be its left subtree. What will be its right part? That will be its right subtree. So now 15 will be root. Then 10, 11, 12, that will be its left subtree. 16, 18, 19, 20, that will be its right subtree. Now just check from 10, 11, 12, which is present first in pre-order. So 10 is present first, so 10 will be its left side. In case of pre-order, you just remember a trick, the second node, so that will be root left side. So first node is the root, second node is the root left side. So now 10 we found, so now just check in order. So after 10, 11, 12 means these two 11, 12 will be its right child. Now from this 11, 12, which will be parent, which will be child? Okay, both will be 10 right side. Okay, now from 11, 12, just check in pre-order. 12 is present first, so 12 will be 10 right child. Next 11, check where 11 is present, whether left side or right side in case of in order. So 11 is present left of 12 means 11 will be left side of 12. And also it is a BST, so we can compare. So now left part is done. So now we'll go to the right part. So right part it will be 16, 18, 19, 20. So from that what will be parent? Just check in pre-order what is present first. So 20 is present first, so 20 will be its right child. Then just check in order. So 20 left side is 16, 18, 19 means 16, 18, 19, that will be left subtree of 20 and right no child. Okay, so now from this 16, 18, 19, which will be parent, just check in pre-order. So 18 is present first, so 18 will be parent. So now just check in order. 16 is left of 18, 19 is right of 18 means 16 will be left side of 18, 19 will be right side of 18. Now tree is constructed, so now find the post order. So what is post order? Left, right, root. So we'll go to left or nothing, so we'll start from here. So it will be 11, 12, 10, then 16, 19, 18, 20, 15. So this is the post order, and you can check in option where it is present. It is present in option B. So answer is B. So here we constructed the tree. From that we find the post order. You can also do directly. So just check how we'll do. So here in pre-order 15 is first. So what is present first? So that will be the root. So now you found that 15 is root. And in case of post order, what is last, that will be root. So you just check where 15 is last. So in option B and in option D 15 is last. So means answer will be from B and D. So you can eliminate option A and option C. So now from B and D, so last is here. Now just check the second last. So in case of pre-order, so what is the second element? So that will be its left child, root left child. So now you know that 10 is root left child. Okay. And in case of post order, what is second last? Last is the root. What is second last? That will be root right child. So here it is 10 is left child. So 10 cannot be right child. Okay, so now this option is wrong, so answer will be B. Or you can just compare these two, like pre-order is 15 is here, so here is 15, so here right part what is present, right part is 16, 18, 19, 20. So from these four what is present first, so 20 is present first, means 20 will be right child of root. So 15, before 15 20 should be in post order, so answer is B. Thank you.